A QDRO is a qualified domestic relations order. Now, you have to love lawyers and courts because we have acronyms and abbreviations for everything. So that QDRO is your qualified domestic relations order, and that is how we divide your 401k. There are companies that do this work for us for a pretty nominal cost, and that is also how we segregate the amount in that account that's subject to equitable distribution. So if you put money in the account before the date of the complaint and you continue to put money in after the date of complaint, the companies that prepare the QDRO will segregate the amount that's subject to equitable distribution, calculate the gains or the losses on that money, and divide it for your spouse. That is what a QDRO is, that is how it works, and that is what we do with a 401k. We're coming up on the end of your divorce, and now you have retirement assets that you need to shift, transfer, give to your soon-to-be former spouse. Do you pay tax on that? Now, I am not an accountant, nor am I a tax attorney. So while I'm not giving tax advice, I can give you a little breather here. You are not liquidating the funds in your IRA and then handing that money over to your spouse. Instead, we're doing a transfer of these assets over to your spouse, and those are non-taxable transfers. So I'm not liquidating my 401k, paying the tax, paying the penalty, and then giving that cash over to my spouse. Instead, I'm transferring my spouse's interest in my retirement asset. So you're not paying tax. That would be a double penalty. I'm giving you half and I pay the tax on it. No, that's not the way it works.